out there. No waves breaking. It's when the waves are breaking that it's like, ugh. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this, but since they threw out the bread for the seagulls and the fish, jellyfish, there's millions of them. And something I usually forget is to ask for your support. Please share this video. There's a friend out there of yours that would love to see this. They love boats, they like sailing, they like traveling. You don't even know who they are. So if you share this, it really helps me grow this channel, which is growing, but slowly, very, very slowly. It hasn't reached that little apex where it's like, and you're off. So if you could share it, like it, subscribe. It's funny, only like when I post a video, only about, I think about 20% of the people who watch it are actually subscribed. So please subscribe, that helps because it makes more people see it on YouTube. Hit the like button, hit the comment button and say something, because that really helps as well. Oh, and I have a Patreon page as well, a link I'll post below. That's super fun. That gets you nightly updates. I will come and I will cuddle you every night if you subscribe to Patreon. I won't. I don't even know how long I've had this wallet. It may be 10, 15 years. I've never lost it, but as you can see, it needs to be replaced. So I did find a new one, but I want to give this one a good send-off. So we're going to do a little burial at sea. It's just a few jellyfish and me. We're going to put this in the water and we're going to try and light it. There we go. Thank you, wallet. You did good. But now it's time for you to go. A really beautiful little town. Still doing some construction. I figured out that I really should have changed the oil on the boat a while back, and haven't yet, because it's not really a big job, but it's a job. And so I just haven't done it. I got this big oil thing, I got my filters, and I got a pump, a little oil extraction pump. Well, this is actually working very well indeed. The pump is going. I'm about maybe a quarter done already, so this is excellent. The other thing that needs to happen is to change the oil filter. And there we go. Check the oil level. Once more. Yep, we're good. The starboard side is now completely taken care of, and I'm just doing the port engine now. Everything's running pretty smoothly. It takes about 10 minutes to pump out the old oil, and about 15 minutes to pump in it because it's a lot more viscous. So, but it's working fine. I got all the oil changed yesterday, both motors, went well. Got a little bit messy up the back there because one of the old oil filters fell over, so it spilt some oil on the back deck there, which was not clever, but you know, you learn your lessons. What I'm doing now is just topping everything off so it's absolutely full up, and I'm not carrying oil around when it really should be in the engine. That'll be good for the next 10 years. A couple of people have told me that you've got to change the oil every 100 hours. And I don't know, that seems a little bit much because you don't change the oil on a big truck engine every 100 miles. And car engines, they used to be, oh yeah, every 6,000 miles you've got to change the oil. And that's all changed now. You don't have to do that so often. So I think oil technology's improved. And I think people's attitudes of just not like knee-jerk, oh, it's every 6,000 miles or whatever. I think that's changed a little bit as well. So the last oil was in there for probably, honestly, 300 hours instead of 100. That's not perfect, and you do feel a bit of guilt, but it was pretty clean when I pulled it out. And it hadn't burned hardly anything. I mean, I've put in probably about a litre of oil the whole time since Chatham, and that's in both engines total. And just checking the water level as well, it's perfectly clean. It's right up to the top, and I haven't touched that since Chalon.